Hi, this is Jennifer Kronk, and this is yet one quick tutorial, yet one more, on how to use Google My Maps. So here's something that's really cool about Google My Maps. I can create a map and I can share it with my class, and I can make it so it's editable for my students. So simply, the way I would do this is I would create a map, and I might say for my students, find all the state capitals on the Eastern Seaboard. My students would go into the map and they could either find the capital or they could search for the capital. So if I wanted to search for Albany, New York, I could simply search for it and the map will recenter itself and it's right there. Now I can add this to my map. I can also add pictures if I want to add a picture. So I can add an image. I could search for images, or I could upload images from my drive. So Google image search, I can look for Albany and see what pops up. And there's an awesome picture right there. Click select. So now I have this picture. And I can also do a few other things if I want to. I can also add details to this map if I wanted to. So I can save this picture. I can also edit and put information in this picture if I'd like to. There we go. This is the egg and Capitol building. So as a student, this might be all that I need to do at the time. I can click save and be done with it. It's pretty simple, very straightforward. But the cool thing is, as the teacher, if I want my students as a group to work on one map, let's say I want them to mark the travels that are indicated in the Grapes of Wrath or Homer's Odyssey. If I want to give my students a map to work on, I can simply click share and I can give it a title. That's okay. And then I'll get a series of share options. So I can get an embed code, which is a great way of doing this. I can get a link, which works really well. So think about putting a link in your Google Classroom. That's probably the most ideal way to go about getting it. So just like you would in any other instance, you have the opportunity to grab a link to share. If you have the link, you've got to give that link permissions. So I have to change the permissions and I'd have to make it public. Or I can make it anyone with a link. That'll work out too. And I would put that in my Google Classroom. Make it so they can edit the map, press save, and there we go. So anybody that has this link can edit. So what it looks like in practice here is one of the examples that I got a chance to play with while I was at a conference this weekend was here. The conference presenter basically said, "Where do you think I'm from?" And everybody here took a guess, and what we did is we named our pins after ourselves. So you could see that it was really easy, and this map was populated within 5 minutes. This is a great way for students to represent the research that they're doing, and it's very little labor on the teacher's part, but still represents another layer of interactivity, collaboration, and research using Google Apps. I hope you found this helpful and have a wonderful day.